Tomorrow is my first day of school, and I am so stressed. I'm just so not ready to go into a new semester and have a full load of classes and have to dedicate all my time to school. Summer went by so fast. Like, it's about to be September. Fall is coming up though, I'm excited for that. So for my last night, before school starts, I wanna do something fun and I need to prepare. So first, I wanna go get boba, just to wrap up the summer, do something fun for my last night. I also need to go to Target. I'm gonna get a bunch of groceries because I need to have food to pack for a lunch. Oh my God, I can't. So my first day is tomorrow, Monday, August 29th. Let me know in the comments when your first day of school is. So I'm gonna go right now. I have my outfit on, I'm ready. You know guys, I will never be able to replace Thai tea. You guys know that's my fave forever. But I have to say, I've gotten brown sugar milk tea the last couple times I've gotten boba because it's so good. I also don't want to get tired of Thai tea, so I thought, okay, Zhirelle, you need to try something else and just have something else for a little bit so you don't get actually so bored of Thai tea. I don't think I ever could, by the way, but this one is really good. This is definitely one of my top flavors. I'm obsessed. I got a size large. It's the last day of summer, guys. Come on. Had to do a large, right? Couldn't do a regular size. This is a special occasion. I'm saying goodbye to the summer. Oh my God. It's just so good. I'm so glad I got a large. This is fire. Also, I switched my phone case. I thought this one was more like going into September, getting into the fall time. All right, let's go to Target. I'm gonna get some lunch stuff, breakfast stuff, and snacks to take on campus for school. Okay, that section got me really excited for fall. I'm less sad about school starting now because I know fall is my fave season, so. I really wanna make my own pitaya bowls, so I'm gonna get some granola to put on them. Also, so I can put it on yogurt. I also used to drink tea all the time, so I'm gonna get some green tea. This used to literally be my fave. I would drink it like every day. So I'm gonna get some of that. I have pasta at home, so I'm just gonna get some sauce. This mushroom one sounds kinda good. We'll try it. All right, I'm gonna get eggs. It's weird because at home I have chickens, so I'm not used to buying eggs at all, because usually I can just go to my backyard to the chicken coop and get eggs every day. That's probably the weirdest thing living alone now that I have to buy. Okay, perfect. So usually I buy these black cherry yogurts and they have a whole pack of them, so I'm gonna get that. These are so good, and it's gonna be so good with my granola. I don't know why, but these little cheese cubes sound like a really good snack. I'm gonna get some of these plant-based sausages. These look pretty good. These are my fave for breakfast. I love veggie sausage. This is what we got so far. These pizzas are easy, so I'm just gonna get one of these. This basket is filling up fast. I'm gonna get some rice. This will be good for dinner. I know this isn't the best peanut butter, but it's the cheapest, so we're going with this one. I'm also gonna get honey. That'll be good in my green tea with lemon and on my pitaya bowls with my granola. I need to get coffee too, but I'm not seeing the one I usually get. This one looks good though. All right, we're gonna try this one. All right, we're gonna try this one too. It's orange chicken. That would be so good with rice, but I don't know if this box is good. We're gonna try it. All right, I'm ready. I also need more soap. I think I'm gonna get this one. This one's cute. And then after, I can get the refill. All right, now I'm ready. Alright guys, I just spent $65 on groceries. I think these are gonna last me for the week, so I should be good. I got a lot of good stuff. I got breakfast stuff, lunch, dinner. I got a couple snack foods, so I think I'm looking good. I don't know, next time I'm writing a grocery list, because every time I go in there, I'm like, do I need this? No. And then I get home to my apartment and I'm like, fuck, I should have gotten like a bunch more stuff, you know? I'm going back to my apartment. I'm gonna put all this away. We're gonna do a little self-care night. I need it. I wanna do like a lip mask, a face mask. I got 2 huge bags. Let's put all this stuff away. Pizza, honey, orange chicken, eggs, rice, cheese cubes, granola, 1 lemon, coffee, bananas, green tea, 1 plain Greek yogurt, a pack of black cherry yogurt, tomatoes, peanut butter, pasta sauce, veggie sausage, and hand soap. My fridge is filled, it looks good. I think next time I go to the store, I'm gonna get more berries and fruit, but I put the bananas in here so that they last longer. And then look how cute, I filled my little egg tray with all my eggs. And look how cute my new bathroom soap is gonna look on my counter. I love it. So next, I'm gonna be doing this lip treatment 5-piece lip kit. I'm excited. I've had this for a while, so it's about time I use it. This is a sugar scrub stick, and then we got the lip treatments, and then this is the tinted flower balm to hydrate. Let's see this one. Oh, that's cute. Look, it has a flower in it. So let's do it. So first we exfoliate and prep our lips. It tastes good. And now let's open this up. And now we just leave this on. This is so LOL. I probably shouldn't do that. I mean, they feel softer. I don't know if I really like this. The last step is to hydrate with the tinted flower balm. I'm excited to use this. It's so cute, it has a flower. I've never done a lip mask before, but let me know what you guys think. Do they look like super hydrated and amazing? They feel soft, but I don't know. I don't know if that whole process was worth. So basically, I've been wearing my hair natural recently. It's in braids right now because I was just having a bad hair day. I think I'm gonna straighten it tomorrow for school. That's usually what I do on the first day. I think that's my plan though. My first class is technically at 8 a.m., but it's an online class. And then my second class is at 11 a.m., so I'm gonna go to campus. And then my third class is later tomorrow night. Very weird schedule. Monday's gonna be a busy day. And I'm almost done with my boba. All right guys, it's a little bit later. I changed into comfy clothes. I took off my jewelry. I'm so tired. I've been trying to adjust my sleep schedule because I know it's gonna be a shock when I start school and I have to wake up at like 7:30 every day. Right now, I need to make a TikTok. I put together this Instagram reel showing like my favorite summer activities I did and like pictures and all that stuff, and it turned out cute. I just like to put a bunch of pictures and videos together to remember like a season or a month, and I want to post it on TikTok, but I made it on Instagram and I don't want the watermark on it, so I'm gonna make it again on TikTok, and it's so much work, so I'm gonna do that right now. I want to post it before I start school, but we'll see. But I think what I'm most excited for going back to school is the back to school content. I love filming at school and telling you guys about my schedule and all of that stuff, so I'm excited to do that again. Tomorrow's Monday and I have 3 classes, which is awful. Like, my first day is my busiest day, but I'm gonna be vlogging all of that tomorrow, of course. So I have my outfit picked out for the first day tomorrow. I'll show you guys though in my first day of school video. And here is the bag I'm gonna be taking tomorrow too. I have a couple things in here, but I'll pack it in the morning. Alright guys, I just turned on the AC because it is so hot in here. It's been like 110 this week, which is insane. I know this first week of school is gonna be really hot. Actually, probably the first like month and a half of school. It sucks because my electricity was up $100 more than usual, and it's because I have to have my AC on. I don't have it on every day. When I do turn it on, I don't even have it on for that long. I can't survive without it at this point because it's so hot. It's like 90 degrees in my apartment right now. But anyway, I am gonna do a face mask right now. So I'm gonna take off my makeup first. We did the lip mask, let's do a face mask. So I ended up applying the Glossier Mega Greens Galaxy Pack face mask. I'm just trying to use this up. I've had it for a while, so I need to finish it. So I'm gonna let this set for 20 minutes. I'm honestly just so tired. You know, the first week of school is syllabus week for me, so I barely have any assignments. So I'm not too worried about my first week of school. Definitely gonna be a long year, but I've talked about it before. I really try to romanticize the school year. You know, if you make things more fun than it actually is, then you can actually get through it so much better and you actually enjoy it. So I'm just getting excited for the fall months. After seeing those decorations at Target, that really put me in the mood. I'm excited to drink pumpkin spice lattes and study and go to cute coffee shops. I have an entire September aesthetic Pinterest board that you guys should definitely check out. I'm gonna get fall nails, which is really exciting. I really did love the pink though. And then once we're out of this heat, I'm gonna buy a bunch of fall candles as usual, and it's gonna smell really good. I really wanna go somewhere this fall to see the leaves change color. I wanna go to like Vermont or something and see some insane fall colors this year. So I'm thinking about doing that end of September or beginning of October. I'm gonna let this dry. I use the Cetaphil face wash, and I'm going to use some toner and put on my night cream and all of that. So I'll be back in a little bit once this is dry. Alright guys, sorry to cut this video short, but I am so tired and I have a headache. So I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm setting my alarms for the morning. This was kind of a last minute video, so I didn't really have too much planned for tonight. But I am gonna be filming my entire first day of school tomorrow, getting ready, a vlog of my day and everything. So definitely look forward to that. Thank you so much for watching and staying until the end. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys soon. Have a great first day of school and a great rest of your day.